Hello and welcome to the wonderful, relaxing River Thames here in West London. My name is Phillip Holt and I'm here to invite you on a 2-day hypnosis course. Now, it doesn't matter if you've never been hypnotized, never done hypnosis. I will take you from stage 1 all the way through to become a good hypnotist. We will look at inductions, fast inductions, one-word inductions, relaxing inductions. We will look at reinductions, deepening techniques, and we will look at these together. I will tell you about them, I'll demonstrate them, and then you can do the exercises. Where can you use these? You can use them for pain control, therapy, just for fun. So let's see where we go. Where have I learnt this from? I've been doing this for over 20 years, teaching around the world, in China, Malaysia, India, the Middle East, Turkey, Italy. And I've learnt from the greats by working with them. The Dean of Stage Hypnosis, Orman McGill. The great British hypnotist, Paul McKenna. Maybe you've read his books. The originator, one of the originators of NLP, Richard Bandler. One of the stars of stage hypnosis in America, Jerry Valley. And perhaps one of the best known hypnotherapists, Gil Boyne. So join me on this journey and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.